Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn money in Car Dealership Tycoon. So get a car and you're just going to, okay, there we go. You're just going to drive it on a highway. Make sure your car is fast like theirs. I just started out, so my car looks like this, but you're just going to drive on the highway properly. I'm like the worst driver. My god, hello? Can I not go on there? Oh my god, thank you, just helped me. But yeah, you're just going to use a really fast car to drive on on the highway. Like play on some music and you'll get like points and money for just driving. As you can see, like my money's going up from just driving. Again, it's better if you have fast cars, but I just got this game. And that's how you can get rich on Car Dealership Tycoon. There's also some quests that you can do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.